I've been reading about marine hull reinsurance, but I'm still not clear on how it works. Could you explain it with some examples?
Of course. Marine hull reinsurance helps insurers manage the risks associated with marine vessels, ships, tankers, and yachts. Hull insurance covers the physical damage to the vessel, and reinsurance helps spread the risk between the insurer and the reinsurer.
So, it's about protecting the ship's structure?
Exactly. Ships are valuable assets, and any damage can lead to significant losses. For example, a cargo ship worth $100 million may be insured, but the insurer might only want to retain $20 million of that risk and reinsure the remaining $80 million. If the ship is damaged in a storm, the reinsurer helps cover that loss.
How does the reinsurance process work?
The insurer evaluates the risk and value of the ship, deciding how much to keep and how much to reinsure. The reinsurer assesses factors like the ship's age, size, operating area, and exposure to risks like storms or collisions. Once the terms are agreed upon, the reinsurer covers part of the risk in exchange for part of the premium.
Can you give a more specific example?
Let's say an insurer covers a tanker valued at $150 million. The insurer retains $50 million and reinsures $100 million. If the tanker runs aground and incurs $80 million in damage, the insurer pays the first $50 million and the reinsurer covers the remaining $30 million. Without reinsurance, the insurer would have to bear the full cost.
So, the reinsurer shares the loss once the claim exceeds the insurer's retention limit?
Exactly. Marine hull reinsurance can be structured as proportional or non-proportional. In proportional reinsurance, both premiums and losses are shared. In non-proportional reinsurance, the reinsurer only steps in after the insurer's losses exceed a certain threshold.
Can you explain non-proportional reinsurance in more detail?
Sure. If an insurer has a $10 million retention limit on a fleet of cargo ships and a ship suffers $20 million in damage, the insurer pays the first $10 million and the reinsurer covers the next $10 million. This protects the insurer from catastrophic losses.
So, non-proportional reinsurance is used to protect against large, unexpected losses?
Exactly. It's often used for large vessels, like oil tankers or container ships, where potential losses are significant. Proportional reinsurance is more common for smaller vessels, where risks and premiums are shared more equally.
What risks does marine hull reinsurance typically cover?
It covers risks like collisions, groundings, fire, storms, and even piracy in some cases. For example, if a cargo ship is damaged in a storm, reinsurance covers the repair or replacement costs, helping the insurer avoid large, unaffordable claims.
It sounds like reinsurance is crucial for managing the unpredictable risks in marine insurance.
Absolutely. The marine industry faces unpredictable risks, weather, navigational errors, and political risks. Reinsurance provides essential financial protection, allowing insurers to cover high-value ships without overexposing themselves.